everybody, and a very warm welcome back to my latest unboxing video. What I've learned from the past is that I won't be saying in my videos again that I won't be buying vinyl this month. It's not working. It's just not working. And what I've got here is something really special. It's the ERC of Scott-Heron's 1971 album Pieces of a Man. When I've got my first ERC Ravel concerts for the left-handed, I was impressed, to say the least. It's not cheap, but what you're getting for the money is absolutely astonishing. And when I saw the announcement for this album, I wanted to have it. And I always wanted to have an original, at least I want to have the whole collection from Jill, but finding those in good condition is very difficult. So when I saw this, I wanted to have it. For me, it's not a replacement of the original, or that I'm saying, so I'm not wanting to buy the original, but for me it's an absolutely special edition. So that's what I see it, and I'm over the moon that it's now sold out. It was super fast sold out, that I got a copy of this one, which arrived, and usually you get these in those boxes, and they are. The first time you have seen it, when I unboxed the Ravel, I was also blown away by how well it was packaged, and that was just awesome. And I can't wait to open it up and see it with you guys. So yeah, let's do it. And if it takes too long, we'll play some music in the background. All right, you get it in this shrink, and it's up there, sandwiched in between this. The box is great, and you get the logo pressed on this. So yeah, let's see. So excited about this. This is just okay. All right. You get it in this. This is Japanese kind of paper. So yeah, my paper is a little damaged, but that doesn't matter because I'm going to open it up anyway. And so I'm going to damage it anyway. So I should do this way more slower because that's all part of the experience, I think. Open this up, but I'm so eager to play this record. I can't wait. The cover looks, so that's when I got my first ERC, the cover print was absolutely stunning. You can't play the cover, of course, but like I said, for me, this is the whole buying experience with an ERC is, oh, look at that cover. The printing is just astonishing. It's absolutely astonishing. Wow. So let's put this aside and get to the main attraction. I think this paper adds a nice touch to it. Okay, here is the OB. What does it says? So we have the lineup, officially sanctioned ACE Records Limited, all value heritage pressing, cut directly from the original analog master tape. No equalization, compression, or any other processing undertake during the cutting process. Cut in stereo using 1950s Luray TR-18 tape console, autophone, GOS, value amplifier, and the rest. Handcrafted sleeve artwork faithfully recreated using a vintage letterpress procedure. And yes, that's released in strictly limited, individually numbered edition of 300. And then you get it in different languages. So let's get that OB away because it's a gatefold and I want to open it. And oh yeah, I'm shaking a little bit obviously because this is not an everyday thing, so super special. Okay, so this is edition 45, and you get this certificate. Okay, let's wait for the sound. Oh, it's not cracking so much, but wow. Okay, let's see. Session pictures, some newspaper articles, the Flying Dutchman news. Pieces of a Man. So this is a very thick cardboard, and now let's get to the main attraction of course. Wow, this is tremendously thick cardboard. Wow, hold on. I mean, look at this. Can you hope you can see that? Look at this cardboard, how thick this is. Wow. So there is absolutely, this cover is absolutely flawless. There is nothing, no printing issue, nothing. Absolutely flawless. So let's check the record. Okay, we have a paper sleeve, and then we have a Japanese sleeve. Do they have a certain name? I've once heard that they were called kind of bullet, something like this, but I'm not sure. I call them the Nagato anti-static record sleeve. So let's see. Flying Dutchman. I'm shaking a little bit, I'm sorry. Oh wow. This is very clean. One of the cleanest new records I have ever seen. Lately, and it's flat, and it's absolutely pristine. I hope you can see that somehow with the light. There is not a single flaw on this record, and well, I'm so happy that we could do this together. Like I said, I'm still a little nervous and shaky because this is not an everyday thing for me, and having this now as this kind of a special edition, one of my favorite albums, that's just awesome. And ERC, please go ahead and do more of those soul, R&B, disco reissues. We need them, and many of these albums do deserve a high-end treatment because they're sounding absolutely stunningly. They're very well been done and hardly been reissued or never been reissued, and having it in such a way would be absolutely awesome. So yeah, it's sort of, if you try to find it on the secondary market, I checked it on Discog. Somebody's now selling it for 650 euro, and somebody's selling it for 1,000. I think it's in mint. Well, I open the records up, and play them. I won't keep them that way in string or in this kind of package because I want to play the record, of course. But I'm sure I'm in for, sound-wise, I'm in for a treat. And if you find it as an original in a clean state, go and grab it. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. The Revolution will not be televised as a classic, an absolutely classic. Like I said, Lady Danger on Coltrane is fantastic. The Prisoner is absolutely stunning. The Needle's Eye. So actually, from the beginning to the end, this is a fantastic record. And if you see it out in the wild, go and grab it. you can't go wrong with records from Gil. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and I will now play the hell out of this record. And I don't even use the record cleaning machine. I put it directly on my turntable because I can't wait. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.